Hi everyone. So today we're going to work on reporting your Social Security and your taxes. Now, we've worked with the 1040 form before. We're not going to do the whole worksheet that you have to fill out, and you don't need to put that with your tax form. When you do your Social Security, it's to help you determine how much tax that you're going to have, taxable Social Security amount that you're going to get. All right, so if your total taxable income, wages, pensions, everything, plus any tax exempt income, plus half of your Social Security benefits exceed $25,000 for singles and $32,000 for married filing jointly, or zero for marrieds filing separately, you have to pay federal tax on your benefits. There is a taxable portion, can range anywhere from 50 to 85%. So it just depends on your benefits. The numbers can change from year to year, and the government prints worksheets to help taxpayers compute their part of their Social Security benefit that's taxed. Okay, so if you were doing your taxes by yourself, have Social Security, you'd have to pull up this form, work through it, pull the numbers off your 1040, put them into certain places, and then eventually, after 18 some odd lines, you're going to get how much taxable income you have from your Social Security. We're not going to fill out the form. I'm going to walk through what each line does and the information that comes with, and you're just going to have to fill out certain spots, and that's it. We're not going to do a full-fledged form like we did before. All right, so here we have Rob, who's 64 years old, and he collected $19,612 in Social Security last year. He's married and filing jointly. Okay, he's filing a joint return. And on his Form 1040, the total of all of these lines is $80,433. Okay, and then line 8A is $519, and lines 23 to 32 have a total of $1,239. Line 36 on his form does not have an amount. Okay, all that information is what you're going to use on this worksheet to figure out his taxable Social Security benefits for the year. Okay, so there's a lot of information here that's going to go on this form. Okay, now we don't attach this form to the 1040. It's to help us get to where we need to go. All right, so let's take a look at what each of these lines say. So we're going to enter the total of all of your taxable incomes. So this $19,612 is coming right from there. Okay, so that's this. Okay, take half of that. So take $19,612 divided by 2. Okay, so this was $19,612 divided by 2. So you get $9,806. All right, total the amounts from all those lines, and we did that already. That's right here, $80,043. So there we go. Okay, enter the amount from any form, if any, from Form 1040 line 8B. So 8B was $519. That's here. All right, and then it says add lines 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to take these 3 lines, add them up, and that is where $90,758 comes from. Okay. Line 6 says enter the total amounts from 1040 lines 23 to 32, any adjustments that you have. Okay, so that is right here, 23 to 32, 1,239. There we are. All right, now, is the amount in line 6 less than the amount in line 5? So line 6 is 1,239. Line 5 is 90,758. So is the amount in 6 less than line 5? Yes. So we click yes. Subtract 6 from 5. And that is where the 89,514 comes from. Okay. All right, line 8. It says if you are married, filed jointly, enter $32,000. Well, that's what he is. Rob is married and filing jointly. So we're going to put $32,000 on the line. That's what it tells us to do. Now the next one, 9, it says, is the amount on line 8 less than the amount on line 7? Okay, so here's line 8, here's line 7. The answer to that question is yes. Then subtract line 8 from line 7. So we're going to do 8 from 7. So 89,514 minus 32,000. That's where 57,519 comes from. Okay. All right, so let's go to here. Okay, enter 12,000 if married filing jointly. 12,000. Okay, subtract line 10 from line 9. Okay, so line 10 is 12,000. Line 9 is 57,519. So that's where 45,519 comes from. Okay. Enter the smaller of the two, of line 9 or line 10. So which one is smaller? 9 or 10? Well, 9. So that's why 12,000 goes on line 12. Enter half of line 12, 6,000. Okay. Enter the smaller of the line 2 or line 13. Okay, so 13 is 6,000. Line 2 is 9,000. So we're going to end up with 6,000 there. Multiply line 11 by 85%. So line 11. Okay. So this line 15 is 911, which is 45,519 times 85%. Okay. 38,619.15. Line 16 is add lines 14 and 15. So that's the 6,000 plus 38,000. Multiply line 1 by 85%. So line 1, all the way back up here, was 19,612. Okay, so this line was 19,612 times 0.85. Okay. Taxable Social Security benefits, the smaller of either line 16 or 17. So line 17 was smaller, so that goes on line 18. That's the amount of taxable income you're going to have. So this last line right here, 16,670.20 cents, is the taxable income off the Social Security benefits. All right, so hopefully that whole thing, basically I was just working through each of the lines and getting the information from the problem, okay, and putting them on the lines. All right, so there's one of those to work on later. So let's talk about our Medicare benefits. When you reach age 65, you can apply to receive Medicare. Medicare has 4 parts. Part A is hospital insurance that pays for inpatient care in the hospital. Part B is medical insurance that helps you pay doctor's visits. Part C is Medicare Advantage, which is available in some areas. And Part D is prescription drug coverage. You must pay a monthly premium for Part B, okay? So you have to pay for Part B. In 2016, the standard premium was $104.90. The premium may be higher if your gross adjusted income is $85,000 or higher. So let's take a look at Mr. Ryan here. He's 65 years old, has qualified to receive Medicare. In 2016, he paid the standard monthly premium. How many did he pay for a year? Well, according to this, the standard premium is $104.90. So we're going to take $104.90, and that's per month. And we're going to times that by 12, okay, to get the year. So when we did that, I got $1,258.80. And that's going to be his premium for the year. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, Staying in means that we're keeping people safe. Have a great day.